Hello, my name is Miguel Monto, and this presentation will be about solar power. To get started, I will explain the issue and research question. The research question is, can solar power replace fossil fuels? And will it be able to replace it? I went with this because I was interested in how solar power works, and also because my family is thinking of putting solar panels on our home. Now, the problem is solar power against fossil fuels. Solar power does great by being clean energy, although to be able to replace the primary energy source, which is fossil fuels, is a very difficult task. Now, if the problem doesn't get addressed, when fossil fuels will just keep running the world as they contribute to global warming. The problem does have social significance because they can both hurt the environment. Some solar thermal systems use hazardous fluids to transfer heat, and if a leak happens, it will hurt the environment. Now, to the information part of solar power is, how do solar panels work? As you can see from this image, the sun hits the panels, which then creates an electric current, and after that, the current flows into the inverter, which then converts DC electricity to AC electricity, which is the most common electricity to be known. Then the electricity flows from the inverter to a breaker box, which directs the current to an appliance in the building that is using electricity. The unused electricity flows through a utility meter into the grid. Electricity is then drawn from the grid when the building might need more emerge than what it can product by solar panels. The solution is solar power replacing fossil fuels will be the cost. Solar panels is cheaper than fossil fuels. The resources I use are articles from government, schools, companies, and I decide which to use if they have the information that I need. Also check if they are reliable to see if there's an author, or to check the date, make sure it's 2020 or 2019. The audience is people who would want to buy solar panels for their home. People will know solar panels give energy to their home and help lower the electrical bill. Now, the upfront cost is a lot for the solar panels, but what people need to understand is that it will be a very good investment for the future. And with the new law that is coming to California, where a new home will have solar panels, it can probably show that solar panels will be the future of energy. And to get people to trust me, I will just show them information that I have. A potential pitfall will most likely be not putting all the information I gathered together and make a clear point. And that will be it for my presentation. Thank you.